And welcome back. Earlier in the show, Common Ground volunteer Anita Keys shared some reminders on how to can fruits and vegetables. Now she is joining us with a recipe that showcases beef, sausage, and garden vegetables. In this segment, we learn about how to make beefy veggie burritos.
Well, we are all looking for a fast, maybe quick breakfast, but we want it to be good and healthy as well. And joining me now with more on this is Anita Keys with Common Ground. Anita, what do you have for us today?
Okay, so today we're going to do a recipe that I've sort of adapted. It's a veggie beefy burrito. It called for like a whole red pepper and a green pepper and a lot of onion. I substituted some zucchini and some summer squash just because they're so abundant right now. And to get started, they call for a pound of ground sausage. And of course, here on the farm, we've got a lot of beef. So I substituted half of that with hamburger, half of it with sausage. And I went ahead and ground it and drained it. Then I chopped up all the veggies, and probably you want to chop them up pretty fine. And then I just went ahead, the pan where I drained the hamburger and the sausage, I went ahead and cooked these in there. And you can just see how much color that's going to add to it. A little yellow, a little red. So that's what you add next. And so you mix these two together. The next thing, and I just used the same pan again, and scrambled some eggs, salt and pepper that if you want. And then it said to fold these in together. So you're going to add that. And then, of course, that yellow from your egg adds a little color too. Then your next is you take burrito size tortilla shells. And it actually told us in the recipe to use 3/4 cup. So I just took a 3/4 cup measuring cup and measured it up, put it on your tortilla. And then it says 2 tablespoons of cheese. Then you take that and you fold it up. So then you've got a tortilla wrapped up like that. If you're going to go ahead and bake them right away, it says 425, and I would keep an eye. If you got it that hot of an oven, you don't want to be burning these. I think it said 10 minutes. The other thing, if you're not going to eat them now, if you're like making these ahead of time, which would be a great thing to do, depending, if you're putting them in the oven, you'd want to wrap them in foil, or you can wrap them in saran wrap. That's a beefy veggie burrito. I also wanted to touch on something. The Common Ground ladies will be demonstrating at the Nebraska State Fair, not this Saturday, the 26th, but next Saturday, which is the 2nd of September. So Labor Day weekend on Saturday, I think it's 12 to 1. So stop by there if you're at the State Fair on Saturday, September 2nd.
All right. Hey, Anita, thank you very much for sharing that with us and being with us here today.